Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I am doing a really simple, super pretty direct transfer tumbler. So starting out with the 20 ounce, and I spray painted it with this sage green from Rustoleum, and then I let that dry. So once that was dry, I mixed up 20 milliliters of epoxy, and I'm going to mix in my glitter into the epoxy. I'm going to use Bright by Peachy Olive Glitters. It is a super fine, gorgeous glitter that you could put over just about anything. And ignore me trying to focus. Apparently my camera doesn't like to autofocus when you zoom in when you're recording. But, so I'm just going to pour a nice helping of this into there. And then I'm also going to put the tiniest amount of olive oil by Peachy Olive Glitters in there, because I just want to give it kind of a green hue. It was probably not completely necessary, but I just wanted to do it anyway. So I'm going to mix those glitters in very well, making sure that it's incorporated into the epoxy. Now that that is all nice and mixed up, I'm going to start applying it to my tumbler. I do use all 20 milliliters on this, and I was hoping that I only needed to do one coat of epoxy, and I did. But you'll be able to see just how gorgeous this glitter is. Making sure that I get this as evenly as possible all around the tumbler. And then I am going to pour the remaining bit just back and forth all over to distribute that all over the tumbler as well. I'm going to use my torch to pop any bubbles. And then I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see how stunning this glitter is. Look at that. Was the green necessary? Probably not. But Bright, Peach Olive's Bright is just beautiful. So I'm going to let this spin. And once it's cured, we will move on. So now that that has cured, I'm going to clean up my rim, and I'm just using an X-Acto knife and going around and getting the excess epoxy off of that rim. And then I will sand down at the top of the rim just to expose a little bit of that stainless so that the final coats of epoxy will have something to stick to. Clean that up. And then I got these transfer sheets, DTF transfer sheets from Amazon. It came in a pack of 3, and I thought these would just be perfect for like a vintagey, you know, inspired tumbler. So I'm going to use 2 of these sheets. The first sheet I like cut up and around to try to fit it. And the second one, I just go on and end up cutting off a lot of it. There was just certain elements that I had to have on this cup. Once I put it on, I make sure to get all the bubbles out, and then I pull off that top plastic sheet. There we go, much better. In some places it came off super nice. Other places it decided to be a pain and come in little tiny pieces. But I did eventually get it all. So for this second part of this one sheet, I'm just cutting off a little bit to kind of make it fit a little bit better. But I also don't mind that it overlaps. I actually like that. It gives it almost like a vintage scrapbook feel, if that makes any sense at all. I'm replacing the blade because I am going to cut off that overhanging of the decals. And then for the other side, I wanted to make sure that I get as much that I wanted on there. And I place it on my cup cradle. I got this from Amazon. This particular one is no longer available, but I will post something as equally as nice as this one. And for the bottom, I'm just taking a few of the elements and kind of wrapping it around the bottom. Now for this, I probably did not need to seal it with the CC DIY Quick Coat. However, I am going to go over it with one coat of the Quick Coat just to be safe. And then after 2 final coats of epoxy, this is what we have. And I absolutely just love how it turned out. It's busy, but makes sense. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.